Hello mga lalabs! Your chef is in the house. Char lang. Anyway, for the first time guys here in the US, I'm gonna be making, guess what? Just take a look on these ingredients. Lol, it's inunan! Anyway, I am using this kind of fish. Ano ito siya? Norwegian fish. Mga malalaki ito guys, kaya dalawa lang yung lulutuin ko ngayon. So, yan siya. And here you go. Andyan na siya sa pan. Malaking pan yan guys. I added onions, of course. And ginger. Kasunod niyan ay ang garlic. So, yan na siya. More garlic. So I added now vinegar. So you will try to taste if need mo mag-add or not. And then next is the extra virgin oil. And since I don't have the whole pepper, so I use this ground pepper guys. Kung ano lang meron kayo, USA style inununan ito. And I added iodized salt. So binibideo ko ito guys para next ang anak ko na ang magluluto ulit. Para matuto silang magluto ng ano. And then this is just an optional guys. So another pepper, it's white ground pepper. So yan na siya. Pero guess what, may nalimutan pa ako. So I added brown sugar to even up the taste, of course. And then I added 1 full glass of water. Yan na siya. Takpan and let it boil. Keep eye on it. Yun yung sinabi kong nakalimutan ko guys. Kasi wala akong whole green pepper kaya frozen. So here you go! Ang sarap niya, promise. Yum, yum, yum! Mwah!